Hi, this is Mrs. Rodriguez with another lesson video. Today we're going to be looking at subtracting integers. Now remember, integers are positive and negative whole numbers. No fractions, no decimals. Okay? So, for subtracting positive and negative whole numbers, we follow three simple steps. Step 1, change the subtraction sign to addition. Step 2, change the second number sign to the opposite. Step 3, follow the same rules for adding integers. Okay, so let's take a look at our examples. The first example is A. We have 5 minus negative 5. So, change the subtraction sign to addition. So this is going to go from subtraction to addition. Then it says change the second number sign to its opposite. Okay, well you will notice the second number sign is negative, so the opposite would be a positive. Okay, so you're just changing this to a positive and this to a positive. Okay, step 3, follow the same rules for adding. Okay, in this case, same signs, so we add. Okay, so 5 plus 5 equals 10, so my answer is 10. All right, let's look at the second example, B. Step 1, change that subtraction sign to addition. Okay, so this is going to be negative 2 plus, and then change the second number sign to the opposite. Well, this is a positive 12. So then it's going to become a negative 12. Okay, positive 12 to a negative 12. So you could just do this on your paper. I want to show you both ways so you can see what I'm doing. Once again, step 3 is follow the same rules for adding integers. Same sign. So we're going to add. Okay? And the sign stays the same. So we have negative 2 plus negative 12. You add them and it's going to stay negative. C. Step 1, change that subtraction to addition and then change the second number sign to the opposite. Once again, this is positive, so it's going to become negative. Now, step 2, follow the same rules for adding integers. Step 3, follow the same rules for adding integers. Okay, so now we have different signs. So that means we're going to subtract and use the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so we're going to subtract. So I'm going to have, 10 minus 1, and that's 9. Then we're going to use the sign of the bigger number. Well, 10 is bigger than 1. So my answer is going to be, because the 10 is negative now, my answer is going to be negative 10. And last but not least, now we have negative 9 minus a negative 8. So step 1 is going to be to change that subtraction to addition. Step 2 is to take the second number sign and make it the opposite. This is a negative 8, so the opposite would be a positive 8. Step 3, follow the same rules for adding integers. Okay, so we have different signs. So we're going to subtract the two numbers and use the sign of the bigger number. Okay, let's do it. So, we're going to subtract 9 minus 8 equals 1. 9 is the bigger number, so my answer is going to be a -1 because the 9 is negative. And that, my friends, is how you subtract integers. Okay? Don't forget, follow these 3 simple rules. You're going to change that subtraction sign to addition. Whatever your second number is, you're going to change its sign to the opposite. So if that second number is negative, you're going to make it positive. If that second number is positive, you're going to make it negative. And then you're going to follow the same rules for adding integers, meaning same signs, you add them together, keep the sign. Different signs, meaning one's positive, one's negative, then you're going to subtract the 2 numbers and use the sign of the bigger number. Okay? And as always, if you still have questions or need additional help, feel free to come see me during office hours. Hope you have a great day.